the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, this is Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on Dogelon Mars. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I bought at the ones. And then BAM! And did I sell? Hell no. Nope. You know why? Because it's all about diamond handing. It's all about where this coin can go, right? You want a free 5K? No. Do you want a free 500K? Yes. Right? Yes. Life-changing money. Life-changing money. That's all it's about. It's about life-changing money, right? That's why you're in crypto. That's why you're trying to find things that make you a lot of money, right? Or no, or are you guys just trying to go for the 10-15% gains and then miss out on the 1,000-10,000% gains? Keep in mind, Dogelon Mars isn't even on Coinbase. It's not on BINANCE. It's not on Robinhood. It's not on Webull. It's on nothing, and it's performing just as well as these other meme coins. As soon as these big exchanges sees this constant 24-hour volume of like around we hit like $8 to $40 million on a coin that has 166 million. It's my opinion that they're gonna want to cash in on the trading volume. That's just what I think. Obviously, that's what I would do if I was a company and if I saw that there's so many people trading Dogelon Mars. Anyway, I'm happy to announce that, look, congratulations, a year worth of consolidation. Bam, we finally broke through it. So this is great. We were obviously going to get some sort of retracement because we were in the green, obviously, right? So my targets are still valid. So 20 on the downside, I think 25 still needs to hold, but we'll actually see. Yeah, so the 382 at 30.45 needs to hold. The next target up is going to be 46. We'll keep it simple. So 30 needs to hold. If 30 doesn't hold, we're going back down to 2050. If 2050 will hold, I don't even want to talk about it not holding. On the upside, we're going to 46. On the downside, 30, whatever it's at right now, needs to hold. We'll keep it very simple. No new news, no new catalyst. They did tweet a picture of a burn. Sorry, of Rufus, like the mascot for Dogelon Mars, holding a candle or holding a match. And there are speculations that Dogelon Mars is going to start burning coins. I don't know, but just keep that in mind. Hats off to the new people that bought it. They're doing great. If you just go to Google and type in Dogelon Mars news, and then you're going to see their Twitter active. They're constantly putting out news. They went to the Ether conference, the Denver conference. So it's they're doing a lot of marketing, a lot of stuff. It's great for the coin. It's great for whoever got in at these lows because you're already up 3x. You're up 3 to 4x depending on where you bought. So I'm happy. I'm happy mostly because I got absolutely destroyed, and I actually see my account going up now, so that's pretty exciting. Anyone will be excited to see that. But keep in mind, for diamond handers and for delusional people like me that don't take 300-400% profits, if you're diamond handing it and if you're YOLOing it, we have a long ways to go. Do we think that's going to happen? I think so. That's why I didn't sell. That's why I'm not going to sell. That's why I think that my targets are going to get hit. And so in that case, I'm looking at anything over 7 being completely bullish. So we're not even close to being over 7. But so the 1618 from where we're at right now puts us at around 65. So that puts it very close. So if we can somehow break through this ceiling at 23, then the next stop is 38. And then we're going to start inching higher, higher, higher. And from the current price, let's just say you dollar cost average and it's in the ones, 12. For it to go to the 1618, that's literally a 32x. So you put in 10K, you take out 320, you call it a day, you put that on a house, you're good, you're solid, right? Can it go higher? Yes, it can. But I'm not going to be crazy, and I'm going to definitely take profits at the 4 mark. Because that would make me set. I'll be done after it hits the 1618. Mostly because I'm an ape and I aped in, and I put in a lot of dough in these lows. So that's my goal. Those are my targets. But again, I'll keep you guys updated. We'll take it day by day because again, we're not even close to being at the 1618. But there, again, I'm banking on it. And if you're watching my videos and you're like, oh, like I want to make a lot of money, right? You don't really care about this. Traders do, yeah, traders. And I'm not talking about traders like trading. I'm talking about traders that like are backstabbing us and selling, right? No, but like, yeah, traders are obviously taking profit because we hit 4. Like we hit literally, you know, when you go up 200% in 7 days, of course they're gonna take profits, but we don't care about that. There's a lot of exchange and money happening right now in Dogelon Mars. The new owners are doing a great job. They're literally putting out a lot of marketing material and everything like that. So I think that this thing's going to go flying. I think that Binance is going to list it. I think Coinbase is going to list it. I think that these companies are going to want to cash in on this trading volume. So that's my hopes. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, whatever. I'll find something else. But I really do think that within the next 2 years, that my targets are going to get hit. Take it with what you will. You can YOLO with me or you cannot. It's completely up to you. I make like 15 videos every single couple days, but this happens to be one of the coins I'm in. My other coin is OXT, which isn't really good, but whatever. What are you gonna do? You're gonna hold it, right? So I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, I didn't want to show the Etherscan because look, Binance Peg Wallet is holding 12.8 trillion tokens at $3.8 million. Crypto.com 6 is holding 53 million. And Crypto.com people love Dogelon Mars. So maybe it's them that bought it, right? How crazy is it if Crypto.com comes out and says, hey, we bought Dogelon Mars, like on the back end, and they have all the tokens. Like, how crazy would that be? That would definitely incline Binance and Coinbase to list it because keep in mind, there was a shift that happened a couple years ago where Binance and Crypto.com and Gemini, they got together and did some sort of deal, and that's why like Crypto.com listed USDC, which is Coinbase's stablecoin, and then Coinbase listed Crow. I don't know if anybody caught that, but a couple years ago they did. So then they started listing a lot of the same coins and whatnot. So maybe there's something happening on the back end. But again, these are all things that I'm banking on and hoping that become my reality. Because if this pulls a Shiba Inu, and if you put in like, 10, 20 grand into this, you're pulling out like 20 million. And I know that's crazy, but it's not, because somebody put in $100 in Shiba Inu and cashed in on $2.2 million. A lot of people actually did. So why can't it be us? Why can't it be people that are in Dogelon Mars? Because this, to me, it was always Dogecoin, and then it was Shiba Inu. And I know for people that were here 4 years ago, they remember that hype because we were all like, Shiba Inu's gonna make us rich, right? And then the next coin always, for me, was Dogelon Mars. Okay, but then all of a sudden, this like Pepe came out, Bonk came out, like these other random coins came out, and I'm always wondering like, what the f? Like, shouldn't it have been Dogelon Mars next? Because yeah, like I don't know how Dogelon Mars somehow got mixed in the shuffle. Mixed in the shuffle. Oh, I like that. Google auto write for the freaking win. Anyway, yeah, so I don't know how it's like somewhere Dogelon Mars was missed, and Pepe gained traction, and a lady coin, whatever, like all these other random coins, and I'm like, wait, what about Dogelon Mars? Like, did we just completely forget about it? Again, hats off to the developers and the new owners because they're doing a great job bringing it back to life. And congratulations to everyone that held and bought at these lows, because you don't need to buy anymore. If you bought in, like, you're good, you're set. Just let it ride. Yeah, we're looking at a 10 to 20x from the current price. That's not even a 30 to 40x from these lows if you bought in the ones, right? Anyway, that's enough of me rambling. Check the Etherscan. You can check the transactions, blah, blah, blah. The volume's great. I'm finally happy that Polynex isn't on here anymore because it was totally messing it up. Polynex volume was totally fake, like influxing the 24-hour volume. So now I'm like, oh yeah, of course someone's gonna cash in on $8 to $40 million of volume every single day. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support. And those are my targets. So 3 needs to hold. Worst case, we're going to 25, whatever. Best case, we're going to go to 46 to 65. And that's also not unreasonable because that's literally what Shiba Inu and Pepe did. We're just lagging a little bit behind. We did that, and then like they next leg up. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys diamond hands it with me. If it goes below 25, then at that point I need to reevaluate. I need to sell my OXT and put more money in because that would be absolutely crazy if that actually happened. I don't think it's gonna happen, but whatever. It's crypto, right? We'll figure it out. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And Dogelon Mars to the moon.